50. 15, 50. Oh my God, I need to clap for you for that. मेरा तो internet speed इतना खराब है, आगे ही नहीं जाता. Anyway, let me invite on stage somebody who's from Kerala, God's own country. Somebody who has whistled for Tiger Shroff so beautifully when he sang that song, Mere Naal Tu Whistle Baja. And someone who can make a rap on the spot.
Who did it? Who was the one who did the rap? Who's the cute kid? I love you. Very nice. Thank you. How's everybody feeling today? भाई देखो बात ऐसी है, दो दिग्गज आए हैं साथ में. It's John Abraham and Varun Dhawan. So you need to make loud noise because it's an energy machine. So are you ready for them?
I believe
हाँ
you
वेट तो उन्हीं की हो रही है, मैं तो अभी आया हूँ, थोड़ा मेरे लिए ही मचा दो.
आपने कोई स्पेशल रैप बनाया हमने सुना है.
हाँ जी हाँ जी.
उनके मतलब उनको इनवाइट करने के लिए वहाँ पे स्वागत करने के लिए कुछ स्पेशल बनाया है.
हाँ तो ठीक है ना, सारी लड़कियों को प्यार में करेंगे कैद मेरे प्यारे भाई कबीर और जुनैद.
The song please.
First of all, I think John and me realized that how badly it's been raining outside, and yet you guys have made it over here, even the press. This means a hell of a lot to all of us, I think.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for coming here. I think it's fantastic. It's great, and a big mention to Raftar because I think he's been fabulous with this song, and I think Varun's done a fantastic job just dancing.
So has John. So has John.
Okay, because we saw the size difference on screen, I really want to know this boy, was he working like overtime in the gym just to ensure कि यार बड़े भाई की तरह थोड़ा तो मैं लगने लगूं? Just, you know, give us a real story here.
I think it's like how I think Varun and me make a fantastic pair, and there's a lot of bromance. So I think I hope Dishum goes on to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because honestly, guys, we really got along like crazy. Like off set, we were on set. We had a great time, and I hope you all also enjoy the film the way we've enjoyed actually shooting it.
And y'all give us a chance to repeat this partnership again and again and again.
रफ्तार ये कुछ कम रैपर नहीं है. अभी हाल ही में मोहम्मद अली रोड पे ये होकर आए थे. वो वीडियो मैंने थोड़ा सा आपका देखा वहाँ पे रैप करते हुए. ये बचपन से कीड़ा आपका रैप करने का कितने साल से था?
No, in fact, मैं और रफ्तार अभी discuss कर रहे थे that why I started liking rap music was when I started hearing Linkin Park like him, and I started hearing Eminem as a kid. So that kind of got me attracted towards it. But obviously, this guy can rap, and like he can really rap, and we've got a surprise in store for you guys. But before that, I think we would like you guys to see the video of the song. And we've not seen it, and John and me haven't seen it on the big screen, so we are watching it first time with you guys on the big screen. Thank you guys so much.
Fabulous! What an awesome audience you guys are, man. I love you all. Okay, my favorite one is when John is saying मेरे भाई को कुछ किया तो Dishum.
And I feel really like brave during that point because I know no one's going to mess with me when I've got John with me.
Which is your favorite, John? Which Dishum in this song is your favorite? Like any of the lines?
I think the last one because I saw the crowd also. They like the chemistry between Varun and me, and when I hold him and I said, "मेरे भाई को सताए तो Dishum."
I saw Varun, your passion come out a lot on the Dum one and the India one as well. Which one is your favorite?
I love the अगर राम रहीम को लड़ाया तो Dishum.
And that's so relevant with Eid coming around the corner. Okay, so here's my question to you. I follow you very closely on Twitter. आप बहुत सारे issues को लेके Dishum mode में आ जाते हो. लेकिन अगर एक चीज अभी आपके अंदर बहुत एक feel है जिसको आप Dishum करना चाहते हो. You want to give us 2, 3?
Definitely, I think now with a very heavy heart I say this. In the last couple of days, there have been attacks on Istanbul, recently now in Dhaka. So terrorism ko a big Dishum.
Superb! And John, anything particularly that you want to say?
Yeah, I think little things like just giving a lot more respect to women.
Yeah.
And if I see men misbehaving with women, they've had it. I'll break them.
Oh, he's done that. He's done it with animals as well. I can never forget your camel story that you told me about on Juhu Beach. I still think that was such a brave thing to do when nobody cared for them. You had such a big heart.
I
Bless
love
him.
animals, and I think we must all reach out to animals because they can't really speak and they need our help. Yeah.
ठीक है रफ्तार बहुत रफ्तार से बोलते हैं तो here's a little challenge for you रफ्तार आपने वरुण और जॉन को प्रोमो में देखा है you are a huge fan of the two of them so you have to give us a dialogue from that promo okay in your style you want to go for it
इतने सालों से स्पाइडरमैन का उल्टा किस प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ कर लेना बट माय बेस्ट पार्ट इज व्हेन ही सीज द लाइन ही गोज लाइक गोद में ले ले
how did you hang in that scene you look so
No,
comfortable
I in fact had a lot of blood rushing to my head during that time, and I realized it's probably not easy for Tobey Maguire or anyone. Andrew Garfield played the recent
Yeah.
one. For any of them to play Spider-Man, because it's not easy to hang upside down. It's quite difficult. But besides that, actually, we've got a very big surprise for all of y'all. There's an actual rap before we'll perform the song for you guys. But before that, there's an actual rap in Todishum which is out on the MP3 version, on the audio, but no one's heard it. And it's a proper rap. Like, this is what rapping is. And Raftar's going to do it for you guys. First time ever. And since you guys have braved the rain and come here, which means a lot to me and John, Raftar's going to do this especially for you. And John, you've not seen him do
I'll
this
again
as
say
well.
thank you for the opportunity. Put your hands up for John and Varun, everybody. मैं बोनस में आऊँ मेरे लिए भी थोड़ा शोर मचा दो प्लीज So it goes like
No, that was outstanding. But John, you have a great task for Varun to do. Varun ने तो उनको लाइन पे डाल दिया. आप इनसे कुछ करवाने वाले हैं बहुत खास मैंने सुना है. Jacqueline से जुड़ा हुआ. Since you're all missing her today over here, I believe Varun knows how to dance like Jacqueline. Is that true?
Yeah. In fact, Varun's going to dance on this song for all of you. Yeah.
Okay, wait 1 minute.
So we leave that to Varun.
नहीं Varun.
So-
And Raftar can rap while Varun's
so
dancing.
much.
But-
and
come to the back.
Only
And
thing
John
I
Abraham
remember,
is watching.
The
John
only
Abraham's
thing-
watching Varun.
No, I
dance.
don't mind being Varun Dhawan in this.
Okay, listen, the only thing I remember of Jacqueline and Saudarake is she crawls. She crawls outside that. What? Yes, even I remember, but I can't do that. Was that your task? You want me to, for Saudarake Dishum?
Sorry, you want him to crawl or what do you? Yeah. You want him to crawl? Wait, Varun, crawl.
These are really weird, kinky demands. Do we have some music?
Get some music. One second, Varun. Crawl in style, yeah.
Wow. Okay, John, we love him dancing. We love what he just did. That was a great thing. But his first time doing action. Isn't this the first full-blown action film? How is he looking? Varun? Okay, but John, you got to tell us, what was the hard part for him in the action scene?
I think because it was his first time, so I had to make sure that he's strapped in well so he doesn't get hurt. And after he was strapped in, I used to go and check everything and then see.
What is this helicopter thing?
No, so this helicopter thing that we did, we were coming at a speed of, I guess, 180 kilometers.
180 kilometers per hour, just about, I think, 8 or 5 feet from the ground and going off. And it was very
And
important.
trust me, it was scary. It was crazy. I've never had such an adrenaline rush in my life. And I was hanging on to the helicopter. And all I had was John, who's on my left. And I kept looking at John like that. And he would just be like, Varun, Varun, Varun. And
This is the one in the jumpsuit that you guys are like Top Gun.
and you know,
Tom
I
Cruise.
don't know how to react. I mean, how do you react when you're in the air? You're just hanging over a helicopter and someone's asking if you're okay.
Yeah, I would ask Varun, are you okay?
Yeah. John.
How do you get over your nervousness? You start singing in your head? What do you do?
See, honestly, I faked it. I faked the whole thing because we have the action director in. So this is a two-hero film. So, I mean, I'm a hero, na. After all, so I have to behave some confidence I have to show. So when the other hero is behaving like, everything is cool and, everything is fine and we got this, I can't be like, yeah, I'm good. So I was just like, yeah, I'm good, man. Let me just take a selfie and shit. And no, it was scary.
But John, you don't smile in this movie except for this song, which was...
Yeah, but I think that's part of the script, and that's what my director put in there. This character is very, very serious. He's a no-nonsense guy. And the only guy who actually makes him break into a smile is this guy. So it's
So he smiles in the movie?
I managed to make him smile once.
because I started having a crush on him.
Should we call some people to do some things with you guys?
Definitely.
Okay,
Definitely.
Okay, here. Do we want them to sing the song first, or do you guys want to come up?
I think let Varun perform to this song. Raftar sing it, and I'll watch.
Okay, we're gonna try. Okay, we're gonna do
Okay.
it for you. You need to play the song, and Raftar and me are gonna
Okay.
try and
We are
go for
singing
it.
together.
We're gonna.
doing
Okay,
this
I'm gonna
together.
join in as
We're doing
well
this
on the rap.
together.
Fabulous. Okay, we've got a challenge. The 100 तरह के डिशुम अगर आप हम मिलकर इनको पूछें.
We have to get John back now.
Yeah, we're gonna get in the back, but
He's
let's get
surrounded.
some of the audience here to come up on stage and show us.
How many of y'all want to hang off John Abraham?
Is that
John,
even-
how many people can you pick up?
No, I don't want to pick up anybody.
One go.
No, I don't want to pick up anyone.
He is.
He doesn't need
original
to pick up
Johnny
anyone.
Bravo.
I'm not.
They
I'm
made
not.
that
I'm-
serial on him.
I'm not picking anyone. You have to pick. I don't want to be the bad guy. We are gonna let her pick.
The girl in the blue. Yeah. She's ready with her phone though. I don't know. What are we doing with her?
We have to have a task, or she has to give us a task. Hi, how are you? You're naturally cool. Okay, you have to tell us what
Acha,
your task.
Wait.
What's your name?
First, the task was to convince her mom to get out of the house. How did you come? I think she said, "Jao."
My mom is right there.
Oh, that's the deal.
Where do you
अरे
Where do
मम्मा
you stay?
fan है.
Where do you stay?
Where's the mom?
Oh, she's come from Powai, huh, John?
Darling, very sweet of you. Thank
you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
And you are going to, you want to hang off John's? So John stands like Johnny Bravo and she hangs off his arm, is it?
Hey, mama.
Varun, is that the task?
That's the task that John, you have to pick it up with one hand.
Oh, what?
She just asked, can you? She just said, can you?
I think Varun and I will both put our hands together and you can hang off both of us. Yeah.
Totally lifting her all by
Totally.
myself, guys.
Vibes.
John's not even picking her up.
Varun's a strong guy.
Partnership at its best. And which is the next task? Come on. You got to ask for a task. Sort. You want to give Varun something? That's Ekta who
Yeah, I
rapped for
think
us.
you guys should come up and dance with Varun.
And
That's special.
so let's get three of y'all. Come upstairs
और
and
बाकी ये
Raftar
लोग
will
मेरे
also
साथ
do
action
dance
कर
steps
सकते
with
हैं
us.
इधर.
Guys, full dancer. Any dance steps?
No, I'm not doing this.
Come.
After the... No.
So on to Dishum. If you guys have any steps, then we're going to do what you guys teach me. Then we'll try and do that. Oh, wow. That's... Hi, how are you? How's it going? Because then John and me have to leave somewhere. I'm sure.
Okay, everybody's ready with the task. Okay, he loves you too. Fabulous. Thank you, girls. Thank you.